How to recover deleted chats on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Chance. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. You're gonna land to the home page. Now head towards the menu section. Now at the top right corner you can find this settings icon, click on it. Scroll all the way down, you can find different sections over here. Under your information section you can find this option of download your information, tap on it. From here, you have to select this option of messages only as you want to recover messages. After you select only the messages option, scroll all the way down. After you scroll all the way down, you can find this option of date range. Just tap on it. Tap on date range. From here, you can set the date range. Likewise, you can select the format. And then you can select the media quality. After you select all of these, you can tap on this option of create file. Now your request has been submitted. A copy of your information is being created. Your copy may contain more than one file depending on how much information your request contains. After completion of 24 hours of request submitted, you can come to the same page and check whether the file is available or not. You're gonna find this kind of file. I had requested for this kind of information before as well, so it is showing this kind of file, and all you have to do is tap on this option of download and download this file to your device. After you download that file, you can open it, and there you're gonna find all the deleted messages of your messenger. So this is how you can recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.